Alright friends, I want to do a string of problems, okay? I'm going to do some problems. I want you to solve them in your heads, okay? You can give me a thumbs up against your chest once you have figured out how you would solve it, Kavish? And as we go through these problems, I want you to look for connections, okay? What patterns am I seeing? How is the first problem connected to the second problem? And see if any light bulbs go off and saying like, oh, I see a pattern of some sort, okay? Capiche?
Yes.
Alright, so some of these are going to seem pretty simple at first. And I think for us as fourth graders, you are going to be able to solve these pretty simply, okay? But there's going to be a little thing in here where you're going to be like, oh, yes, that's helpful, okay? Moving forward. Capiche? And we'll have to practice this more moving forward, but that's good. Can I have you stay in one spot from now on, though? You're going to stay there? Okay, perfect. All right, the first problem that I need you to solve in your head is, and I know this is going to seem silly, or, we don't like this marker, plus 4. Ooh, I see some people with their thumbs against their chest. Remember, if you have a way to answer it, thumb against your chest, not a hand up. And give me the answer in 3, 2, 1.
8.
8. Okay. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Hopefully this marker's a little bit better. Ooh, I like that one better. 4 plus 4 is 8. Yeah? Okay. What about this one? See, most people have a thumb showing me that they have the answer. And what's the answer in 3, 2, 1?
12.
12. This one's 12. Any pattern you're seeing so far, Jeannie?
The first one was 4 plus 4, and the second one was 6 plus 6. They're both the same number.
They're both the same number, so 4 and 4 and 6 and 6. What do we call those?
Double.
Doubles? Yeah, there are doubles addition facts, right? What could be another double that I could do on the board? 8 plus 8. What else? 9 plus 9.
12 plus, I just want to see a different pattern.
Okay, we'll come back to that in a second.
12 plus
12 plus 12. Okay. Mr. S, what other pattern did you see?
I see that, I believe it's like kind of like multiplication. 8, 12, and then it goes down by 8s.
What goes down by 8s?
Like, if you skip count by 8, no, 8, 16.
Because 8 and then the next 8 would be
Oh.
16. Oh, you were thinking 8 plus 8 was 12 for a minute? Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Okay? Alright, I'm going to give you another one. You ready? How about this one? Grant? Look at your chest, what you have. Hayden, what is the answer to this one? 13. Give me one of these bad boys if you agree. Okay, 13. What's different about this one, Elena?
What's different about this one is you did 7 and 6 instead of doing 6 or 4.
Yeah, this one wasn't double. This one wasn't double, was it? Okay. All right, what about this one right? What about this one right here? Once you know it. J-Mo, what's that one?
16.
8 and 8 is 16. Give me one of these if you agree. Okay. Was this one like this one, or was this one like these ones?
The first two.
So it was like the first two. So it was doubles again. This one wasn't doubles. These other ones were doubles.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what about this one? What about that one? 9 plus 8. Number's getting a little bit bigger. Abel, what's 9 plus 8?
17.
It is 17. Everybody agree? Yeah, yeah. This is 17. Was this one doubles?
No.
No. I'm wondering though, did anybody use this problem right here to help them with this one?
Yeah.
Why? How, like,
No.
could have you?
Yeah, but
No, I'm not asking like what somebody else did. I'm just asking. I'm looking for. I'm not asking how everybody solved it right now. I want to focus on the way that Jameson, I think, solved it today, right now. So listen for how Jameson solved it once and see if it makes sense. Okay. Jameson, you said you can use this one to help you with this one.
Yes.
How?
9 is just 1 more than 8, so I just added 1 to 16.
So you knew 8 plus 8 was 16.
And then I knew that. And then I knew 9 was 1 more than 8, so I just added.
So you just added 1. Does everybody see how close this is to 8 plus 8?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see that? 8 plus 8. It's awfully close to 8 plus 8. What about this one? This one is really close to what?
12.
6 plus 6, right?
It's just 1 more.
But it's just one more. Look at this one. How about... Hmm. Five plus 6. What's the answer?
11.
11, right? So this one's 11. I'm wondering, when you saw 5 plus 6, did any of you think, oh, that's really close to 5 plus 5?
Yeah.
Think of your doubles. Do you guys all know 5 plus 5?
Yeah. That's 10.
What's 5 plus 5?
10. Then you add 1.
If you know your doubles, 5 plus 5, if I know my double 5 plus 5, well, 5 plus 6 is just 1 more. So when I see this, I easily see, personally, maybe not everybody sees this yet. Ava, are you looking at it? I see 5 plus 5 in this problem. Do you see 5 plus 5 in this problem? Can you see 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5 is 10, and then I would just add 1 more. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So what about like this? 6 plus 8. What's 6 plus 6, friends?
12.
And then how many more?
2.
Have you thought of that? What's 6 plus 6?
12.
12. And add 2 more. What is that?
14.
So I'm thinking about 6 plus 6, and then I know that's 12, and I just got to add 2 more. So I just would go plus 2 and get 14, right?
Yeah.
How many, you don't have to, you can just kind of give me the eye, like, yeah, that was me. You don't have to let other people know. How many of you with these types, like 7 plus 6 or 5 plus 6, you had to count on by like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? That you were just adding on. But if you look at the problem, you might be able to solve it a lot quicker just by saying, oh, that's really close to my double. Do you know what you call these problems? Like 5 plus 6, 6 plus 8, 7 plus 6. So let me circle them in red. Do you know what they call these problems? Anybody have a guess? Triples? No? Quadruples? No. They call these not doubles, but near doubles. That makes sense, right?
Yeah.
These are near double problems.
They're near.
They're near the double, so I can use the double to help me solve them, right? So in the future, when you're solving these problems, I want you to look at the numbers first before you just start counting by ones, and look, oh, I see 6 and 6 in that. 6 and 6, I know 6 plus 6, that's 12. Oh, and that's just 2 more. Okay, so look at the problem first. I want to do a couple more. Ready? What about, and so I'm going to get into a little bit bigger numbers. Okay, make sure you're showing me your attention, right? Don't want to lose you. Okay, what about this one? Is that a doubles fact?
No. Yeah.
11 plus 11?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's doubles. It's the same number twice, right? It's a double. What's 11 plus 11?
22.
22. Okay. So even with double-digit numbers, you guys are pretty good at your finding your doubles, huh? What if I did this one? Ready for it? Could you use 12 plus 12 to help you solve this? Could you though?
Yes.
I think most of you can add 12 plus 12. You all can. Add 12 plus 12 pretty without too much effort. Guys, what's 12 plus 12?
25.
12 plus 12.
25.
What's 12 plus 12?
24.
12 plus 12 is 24,
Yeah.
right? 12 plus 12, so if I did it right up here, watch. 12, 12, what's 2 plus 2?
4.
What's 1 plus 1?
2.
That's 24, right? But I didn't do 12 plus 12, I did 12 plus 13, so how many more do I need? I need one more. So I could think 12 plus 12 plus 1. And where I may have had to count on, like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and when you have to like reset your hands again, that can get confusing at times, right? But if I use my doubles here, 12 plus 12, oh, I can do 12 plus 12 and then just add 1. That's what I did in my head. 12 plus 12 plus 1 equals 24 plus 1 is 25. Try this one. Last one. Can you use 15 plus 15 to help you solve this? So if you're thinking of 15, add your ones, add your tens. Think about that. If I have to stack it that way. What do 5 and 5 make? What do 10 and 10 make? You can just split it out. 10 plus 10 and 5 plus 5. Now listen to what I ask you carefully, because some of you guys are just going to try to give me the answer to that problem. I'm not asking for the answer to that problem. I'm asking for the answer to what's 15 plus 15? 30. 15 plus 15 is what?
30.
15 plus 15 is?
30.
So if I said 15 plus 15 is 30, how much would I have to add yet?
2.
2 more. So what is that?
32.
32. You were able to solve that using your near doubles without having to add on 17 or 15 by ones. Isn't that a lot less work?
Uh-huh.